Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of architecture and history as we explore the Párisi Passage right here in the heart of Budapest. If you're a fan of hidden gems and timeless beauty, you're in for a treat. As we stroll through the bustling streets of Budapest, our destination today is a true marvel of architecture, the Párisi Passage. Nestled in the heart of the city, this iconic passage dates back to the early 20th century and has witnessed the changing tides of history. Built in 1909, the Párisi Passage was designed by the renowned architect Zsigmond Quittner. Its architecture is a seamless blend of Art Nouveau and neo-Gothic styles, creating a visually stunning experience for anyone who walks through its doors. Originally a shopping arcade, the passage has undergone various transformations over the years, reflecting the resilience and adaptability of Budapest's cultural landscape. As we step inside, be prepared to be mesmerized by the intricate details that adorn the passage. From ornate ironwork to stained glass windows, every element tells a story of a bygone era. The ceiling, adorned with beautiful frescoes, is a true masterpiece that transports you to a time when craftsmanship was truly valued. While the Párisi Passage has a rich history, it has seamlessly transitioned into the present. Today, it houses a unique blend of boutiques, cafes, and shops, making it a hub for locals and tourists alike. The passage not only preserves its historical charm, but also adds a contemporary flair, creating a space that's both timeless and trendy. As we explore the nooks and crannies of Párisi Passage, it's impossible not to get lost in its charm. I highly recommend grabbing a cup of coffee at one of the cafes, taking a leisurely stroll, and immersing yourself in the unique atmosphere that this passage exudes. And there you have it, folks, the Párisi Passage in all its glory, a testament to the rich history and vibrant culture of Budapest.